Hello everyone, my name is David and today we will be making a review for the Star Wars PlayDoh set. So you can see it contains 3 cans of PlayDoh, 2 lightsabers, as you can see right there, and the ship. So let's get it out of the box and let's take a look at it and see how it works. So here we have 3 cans of PlayDoh, as you can see. The Stormtrooper is blue colored PlayDoh. The Darth Vader one is red colored PlayDoh. And Luke Skywalker is orange colored PlayDoh. And here we have main ship here, and as you can see it has molds all over its body. These 2 ones on the sides here are for different types of ships. This is R2-D2. As you can see here, it actually has some weapons on the sides of the head, and on the feet it also has molds for control points, I suppose. And up here we have 2 places to put different PlayDoh cans right here, as you can see. And we also have, I'll remove this. I can open this, and there's a little mold. I'm gonna put some PlayDoh right in there. Close this, and the PlayDoh would come out right here. Here have some of the orange and red, and the colors are really vibrant. And I also like it because it's like really soft. Putting some orange PlayDoh in the part that I just talked about a few seconds ago to see how it works. So you can see right there, a whole bunch, and let's push it down and see what happens. Ooh, look at that. Boom. So guys, this is everything that we made. We have the 2 ships right here. We have 2 control points, as you can see right there, and we also have R2-D2. This PlayDoh set was honestly a lot of fun to use, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, it would mean a lot. Also, make sure to turn on notifications and subscribe to the channel to get notified of whenever I upload a new video. See you guys next time. Bye.